Hi guys, welcome back to another video of living with an Afla Romeo 156. So today we will be doing some work on the car after the last trip to the Nürburgring.
Aj, zrobiłeś to samo co ja. O, też jest dobrze. O chuj. Też było srogo. Kurde, całą rękę mam mokrą.
When I was checking the car after coming back, I've noticed that one of the, you can probably not see it, yeah, but we will get to this when I take the wheel off. One of the flexible brake lines is cracked and I have to replace it. So this is what we will be doing today, and of course we will be checking if everything is okay on this side, and yeah, so join me for that. Okay guys, so as you can see the wheel is off. Yeah, everything here looks quite okay. Brake discs and pads, quite okay. We have all of that. The shock absorbers, quite good. Yeah, I know a little bit rust over here, but let's take into the consideration this is like an almost 20-year-old car, so I don't think it's that bad. I have a new upper wishbone, quite fresh new lower wishbones, anti-roll bar links, new CV joints, and all of that stuff. And the problem is, where's the problem, guys? Let me just set you up in here so I will show you where the problem is. So as you can see, the problem is right over here. So this is the problem, that's why I have to change it. So we will be we'll be taking the caliper off. So we have to take this off, support, let's say, for this brake pad. Then we have to unscrew two screws. One is right here and the other is at the bottom. And then we will have to do this one and take this out of here and loosen it up. You can probably see it, so right here in this a little bit of a rusty place, so I'm a little bit worried. We will see if this will come out easily. So I'll definitely have to clean it up before doing anything more with it. So yeah, so basically that's the plan for today. That's the job for today. So join me in a second and we'll see how it will go. Okay guys, so I cleaned up all of the dirt and the mess from here. Here what we have to do is we have to take off this small bracket. It's coming slowly on that. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Ah, there it is. There it is, guys. So this is how it looks like. I'm sorry. So it's like a small clip that goes around the brake lines. So now it's moving. So now I can try to undo it. To undo it, we will need a 17mm spanner right down here at the bottom and 11mm spanner right here at the top. Surprisingly, guys, I have undone it. So now what we will actually do is we will remove the whole brake caliper right here, so I can undo the whole flexible brake line. So let me do that right now. With the black gate at the front that I've showed you, this is fairly straightforward to take off. It's more difficult to put it on, but still. Okay, so now we have to take this small masking thingy out here, and the other one is down here. And now we will have to undo it, and to undo it we need this kind of a torch, and I will also need like some kind of an yeah. So guys, so this is done. So now the job that I don't know if I will be able to film, because I have to first undo this one and try to make it as quick, not to get too much of the brake fluid run off. So I'll just take it off and put it upwards so it doesn't leak fluid, and then I will just undo it in here. New brake line, flexible brake line, is lying over here, so this was fairly cheap. Okay guys, so we have the new flexible brake line fitted on. It's on the point. I just have to tighten everything up and put everything up together. As I've said, I need to clean also the brake pad, this one especially. This always gets stuck with all of those little particles and brake dust. Okay guys, so I have cleaned the inner brake pad, which was stuffed with a little bit of brake dust and everything, and I've cleaned those ones which are responsible for like the leading of the outside brake pad. So yeah, so they have to be clean, and now I will put, before putting it all together, I will put some paste, like a grease on them, so they will work without any problems. Okay guys, so the job is complete. I have redone everything. Here we have everything fitted back together. I just have to put the rubber cover on thing that helps you bleed the brakes, right? So the brakes are bleeded, everything is well put together. So in a minute I will just start the car and drive out of the garage, so just to check if everything is working. But yeah, first I need to put the wheel back on. Okay guys, so that would be it. We have done it. I think everything should be okay. If I stay alive and not crash because of the problems with the brakes, I will definitely update you on that, and I will post another video when there will be another job to do on this car. Oh guys, I forgot. One last thing, always remember to top up your brake fluid right after doing anything on your brakes, like changing them or doing what I did. See you next time guys. Have a nice day.